Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Myself is Manjal Pandari. In the previous class, we were doing the exercise 3.2 till 3 problems we have completed. In that one, we have done some formulas, basic formula starting. I have given it. After I have done 3 problems. In today's class, we are going to do the remaining problems of exercise 3.2. Okay students, one more thing. This class I will be taking bilingual language in English and in Hindi. Okay, so that will be helpful for all of us. Almost students, please like it and share this students as much as possible and subscribe the channel. Okay students, now let's start the class students. Exercise 3.2. Okay, so exercise 3.2. The next problem is fourth one. I'll read out the question. How many sides does the regular polygon have if each of the internal angle is 165 degree? The given data is each of internal angle is 165 degree. We have to find the number of sides, means n. We have to find. Okay, friends. Now there is a formula. In the previous video, starting 10 minutes, starting 5 minutes, I have given a formula of this formula. You please by heart it and note it down. Please by it. After that, you can solve easily. So there is a formula. What formula is this, friends? Internal plus external is 180 degree. Internal plus external will be 180 degree. So here they give an internal angle. Internal angle is 165 degree plus external is 180 degree. So we will get external 180 minus 165 means we will get 15 degree. We will get 15 degree. After that, we have to find each internal angle. Each external angle will be 360 divided by n. From here we can find out the value of n. So what we get? N is equal to 360. Each internal angle will be 15. So what will we getting? Each internal angle will be 50. What will we getting? 15 2s are 36 means 40. N is 26 sides are there. We are getting n is equal to 26. So okay sir, in this way we have to solve this problem. Okay sir, note it down. I will go to the next problem. Note it down guys, screenshot it or you write it speedily. If you're not able to do this write it speedily, screenshot it. Why? Means the video will be short. In 15 to 20 minutes I will be winding up in the class. So I will be doing it a little bit of hurry. Okay. Okay students, next question, fifth one. A1. It is possible to have a regular polygon with measures of each external angle is 22 degree. If it is possible to get a measure of external angle is 22 degree. Students, external angle is given. External angle, each external angle. Each external 20. It is possible to find number of sides means n. So we know that formula is equal to 360 divided by n is equal to 32 degree. So n is 32 degree. Question: if you divide it, it will be coming in points. 1 point something 5. 1.1. It will be coming in. It will be coming in points. 22. It is 22. So it will be coming 16.3 something. If anything coming by points, we cannot take it as the number of sides. So the answer for this is no. If anything coming in decimal, we can't take it as, the answer is no. Okay, I read out the no. We cannot have a regular polygon which external angle as 150 as it is not divisible by 360. It is not divisible by 360, so we cannot take it. Okay, students, got it? Answer is no. Why means this coming n is coming in point decimal. If anything coming by decimal, we cannot take it total. So this is a reason. So that we take it out. इधर अभी क्या हो रहा है? Point में आ रहा है answers. If anything coming by point, we cannot take it as so we will take it as no. Okay, question, take it out. Next question. In this one, can it be an internal angle of regular polygon? Again, they are saying that can it be a regular polygon? Can it be an internal angle of regular polygon? Why? Sure, student. Next one, in this one only, can it be an internal angle? Internal angle. Can it be an internal angle of 22 degrees? See, students, here again we have to take it sum of the sides. So we know that internal plus internal is equal to 180. You have to find here there no extra, so internal is 180 minus 22. So we will get 8, 158. 158 is 158. No, we cannot take it. Why is 158 is not divisible by 360. If it is divisible by 360 means we can take it. See, so internal we get a 158. So 360 divided by 158, we are getting whole number means whole number. It is a sum of it. So for this also we can say it as no. Okay, student. If anything coming to the whole number, we can take it. But the numbers are coming in decimal. So here we can't take it. No. So in both the cases, the answer is no. Okay, sir, got it? Note it down. I'll go to the next one. So students, here is the sixth one. What is the minimum internal angle possible for a regular polygon? What is the minimum internal angles are possible for a regular polygon? So students, what is the minimum internal angles are possible for regular polygon? Question. We have to find it. Minimum polygon of internal. How many internals we can be a minimum? So students, in this one, minimum is triangle. We can take it as a triangle. Why? This triangle has three sides. Internal means how many are there? Internal means how many are there? Internal formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. N we have 3. So 3 minus 2, 180 degree. So 1 into 180 degree. 180 degree. So minimum we can take it as 3 sides. So we can take it triangle. So for each triangle we will be getting 180 minus 3. For each means 60 degree. So minimum polygons of internal will be getting as 3. Okay, students, it is very easy. Minimum will be getting 3. So triangle is the answer. Okay, minimum will be 3. Questions? Note it down. This one. Questions in this one, sixth one, second one. What is the maximum external angle possible for a regular polygon? What is the maximum external angle possible for regular polygon? B1 is maximum for regular polygon. So here also we are taking a three sides triangle, three sides, because we are taking 180 degree. For triangle will be 180 and each of this is 60 degree. So we will be taking 120 degree. For triangle the maximum will be 120 degree. So in this way we can say triangle three side is a maximum for all the sides. So hence consider minimum also is triangle only, for maximum also means 120 degree will be taken if two sides are not available. So maximum will be 120 degree for triangle. So in this way we answer. It is just a concept. But maximum it is 120 for triangle also maximum, minimum also is triangle only. Okay friends, got it? Okay friends, here we wind up the exercise 3.2. Here we are ending of the exercise 3.2. From the next class I will be going to take the exercise 3.3. It is also very easy. Just a calculation procedure. It is a very easy. I am hoping that you are liking my teaching very well. One more thing, student, please like it and share. If any inquiry you want, please comment me so that I will be improving in the next class. Okay, students.